If you've ever used Afterpay for a new outfit or Klarna for electronics, listen up. Starting in 2026, those buy now, pay later purchases are going to start showing up on your credit report. This could be the best thing that ever happened to your credit score, or it could tank it by 50 points. Here's exactly what you need to know to make sure these payments help, not hurt, for savings or financial future. Right now, millions of people use buy now, pay later services without realizing they're about to become part of their permanent credit history. The three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, have announced that starting in 2026, BNPL data will be included in credit reports. This isn't just about Klarna and Afterpay. We're talking about Affirm, Zip, and all the major players. Here's how it works. When you make a BNPL purchase, the lender will now report your payment activity to the credit bureaus, just like a credit card company does. They'll report your account opening date, your payment history, your credit limit, which they call a purchase amount, and whether you've paid on time. This creates a new type of credit account on your report called an installment loan or consumer finance account. Now, here's the good news. If you always pay your BNPL installments on time, this could actually boost your credit score. Payment history makes up 35% of your FICO score, so adding several on-time payments each month from your BNPL accounts could demonstrate consistent reliability to lenders. Think about it. If you have 3 BNPL accounts and make 12 on-time payments across them in a year, that's 12 positive marks on your credit report. But, and this is a big but, there are 3 major ways BNPL reporting could hurt your score. First, if you miss payments. Even one 30-day late payment can drop your score by 60 to 100 points. Second, too many hard inquiries. Some BNPL providers do a hard pull when you apply, and multiple hard inquiries in a short period look risky to lenders. Third, it affects your credit mix, which is 10% of your score. Let me give you a real example. Sarah has a 700 credit score. She uses Afterpay for a $200 purchase, pays on time for 3 months. Her score goes up to 710. But then she uses Klarna for a $500 purchase, misses one payment, her score drops to 650. That's a 60-point swing from just 2 BNPL accounts. This is why you need to be strategic. So here's your action plan for 2026. Rule number 1, never use BNPL for anything you can't pay off immediately. Treat it like a debit card, not free money. Rule 2, limit yourself to 2, maybe 3 BNPL accounts maximum. More than that looks like you're overextended. Rule 3, set up automatic payments for every single BNPL account. Human memory is fallible. Automation isn't. What if you already have multiple BNPL accounts? First, check which ones report to credit bureaus. Not all do yet. Second, prioritize paying off any with missed payments immediately. Third, consider consolidating smaller BNPL balances onto a 0% APR credit card if you qualify. This reduces the number of accounts reporting and gives you more time to pay. Here's a pro tip most people don't know. Some BNPL providers let you choose whether they report to credit bureaus. Check your account settings. If you have perfect payment history, turn reporting on to build credit. If you've had issues, you might want to keep it off until you're consistently on time for 6 months. But remember, by 2026, reporting will likely become mandatory for most providers. One more critical point. BNPL reporting affects your debt-to-income ratio, which lenders check when you apply for mortgages, auto loans, or even apartments. If you have 5 BNPL payments totaling $300 per month, that's $300 less income you have available for other debt payments in the eyes of lenders. Keep your total BNPL payments under 5% of your monthly take-home pay. By 2026, BNPL will be fully integrated into the credit system. The consumers who thrive will be those who understand this isn't free money. It's a financial tool that reports to the same bureaus as your mortgage and car loans. Used wisely, it can build credit history for young adults in thin files. Used recklessly, it can create a debt spiral that takes years to recover from. So here's my question for you, Shu. How many BNPL accounts do you currently have open? Drop a number in the comments below, 1, 2, 5 more. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're breaking down all the 2026 credit changes you need to know about.